5650 Azure Way, a stunning waterfront townhome boasting spectacular views, a private boat slip, intriguing architectural style and open spaciousness, sophistication, quality, and romance, amidst a lifestyle of maritime vibrance and beauty. Only minutes from the clubhouse, tennis courts, pool, and nearby farmers markets, concerts in the park, and golf on the majestic Southern California coast in Spinnaker Coves. Resort-like, the approach is captivating and warmly inviting. Pause on the front terrace with its locked built-in bar, then step into the mirrored foyer and be awestruck. The fireside living room is ideal for indoor, outdoor living and entertaining. Formal dining is unforgettable, featuring a water view and a built-in buffet bar. A cafe corner breakfast area adjoins the sunlit gourmet kitchen. At the lower level is the finished garage. Ascend the stairs past the guest bathroom to the upper level laundry and bathroom, convenient to the distinctive bedrooms. Escape to the master retreat serenely tucked away above it all, with views that will take your breath away, and access to a luxurious private bathroom. Lounge amidst the ocean breezes or head down to your boat. Life is good in Spinnaker Coves.